The market-themed WTI oil prices, $87 a barrel, fall after Trump says Iran deal could be reached in 2 or 3 days. That said, tensions could flare up on media reports which also suggest Iran had shot down a U.S. Apache helicopter that was patrolling the Strait of Hormuz overnight. The other key catalysts. 1. All eyes on US CPI data, 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. As oil prices cool and geopolitical fears fade, investors' focus shifts to the US inflation report due this evening. The rate of US inflation is expected to climb above 4% for the first time in 3 years, strengthening the case for higher for longer interest rates. Any hawkish shift from the Federal Reserve could be a negative for emerging markets like India. 2. Wall Street flashes a warning signal. US stocks tumbled overnight as selling pressure returned to AI and technology shares amid growing valuation concerns. Bottom line, while easing Middle East tensions are supportive, sticky US inflation and weakness in global technology stocks remain key risks for Nifty bulls. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Tuesday's bullish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 4566 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 6160 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled near 15.58 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, was trading firm near 95.37 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.01 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.81. Midcap Nifty is at 0.99. Nifty outlook volatility is likely to be the hallmark of today's trade, with wild swings expected as investors navigate geopolitical developments, inflation concerns, and global market cues. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,242. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 22,900 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 23,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,000 and 23,400. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 73,919. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 73,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 75,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 73,100 to 74,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 55,195. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,242 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,800 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,600 and 55,600. Bias. Stock market news. India's markets staged a smart comeback in yesterday's trade. Nifty snapped a two-day losing streak as easing Iran-Israel tensions, softer crude oil prices, and the Reserve Bank of India's forex swap measures boosted sentiment. The positive takeaway was that banking and financials led the charge. ICICI Bank plus 2%. Axis Bank plus 2%. State Bank of India plus 2.1% on IPO buzz around SBI General Insurance. Bajaj Finance plus 1.8%. Interglobe Aviation, Indigo, plus 4%. Bottom line, falling crude prices, easing geopolitical worries, and RBI's liquidity supportive measures have provided much-needed relief to Dalal Street bulls. The biggest headwind. Total FII outflows in FY27 have surged to a massive 1.67 lakh rupees crore, keeping sentiment fragile. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Ather Energy, plus 3.05%. Gained after announcing a board meeting on 12 June to consider fundraising through multiple instruments. Fundraising could support future growth plans. 2. Redington, plus 4.69%. Jumped after Apple Incorporated unveiled major software and AI upgrades at its WWDC event. 3. Hindustan Copper, plus 2.66%. advanced after the appointment of Anupam Misra as chairman and managing director. Leadership transition comes amid the company's aggressive capacity expansion plans.